What's going on, guys? Just out at one of my favorite little coastal lakes. Gonna get a few hours in while the fam's at the beach. Hopefully can get a couple. We will see. It's nice and sunny. It's about 66, 67 degrees. I don't know what water temp is. I haven't plugged my graph in yet, but I'm gonna guess it's, whoop, that's good. It's right on my intro. I'm gonna have to go chase that out of the damn tree. Water's probably 51, 52. I'd have to look. So I'm hoping it's a little bit higher than that, and that we're gonna see some of these fish moved up even shallower to get to the sun and stuff. So we will find out as we go. My graph says this water is 57 degrees. If that's the case, they are going to be absolutely munching today. Well, that wasn't real good for my boat. Fish. There we go. There we go. Got one. He's not bad. He's not bad at all. Oh, that's a good sized fish. That's a really good sized fish. Holy crap. Oh, jeez. See if I can fall out of my damn boat here. That's a really nice fish. Holy moly. That's a great fish. Look at him. Big fatty. Probably 3 pounds, maybe a little more. I mean, I'm really happy with that fish. See if I can de-slime my hands enough to get a cell picture. Gotta turn on the gas here before I crash, but another really beautiful fish for here. I love it. What a tank. See you later, bud. I'll cruise back around and hit that lay down again. Any luck? No. I just released a 3-pounder right about there. Oh, yeah? Yeah. Really nice fish. Oh, this lay down here just looked too good not to cast to. I actually pulled up and reeled in real fast on my other cast to roll through here. And that guy, as soon as I rolled over a branch, just smashed it. I'll try again back by where he was. Doubt I'll catch another fish from that same spot, but oh, look at him. He wants it so bad. Another fish. Every single time I reel in, there's fish chasing it. They look like trout. Got him. Got him. Turn my motor on here. Just a little squeaker. As always, the key is these laydowns at this lake. that's where they're at, always. This guy's just a little dinker. Still clearly pre-spawn. He's fat, but not too big. But fish are fish, and I will take them all day, every day. Any old fish that will bite. Hey guys, doing the update thing. Finally found this quiet little cove where I'm out of the wind. Caught a couple fish, including a nice one. I'm having a lot of trouble right now because I'm spending half my time trying to keep the boat straight and out of the wind, and the wind keeps changing directions and pulling me here, there, and everywhere. So it's really hard fishing. Only got another hour or so, so I'm hoping to get a couple more as I cruise back towards the front. See ya. Well, I'm coming into the home stretch here. My trolling motor battery is like 3/4 dead because I've had to fight into the wind all damn day. So I'm just cruising down this bank and letting the wind take me for a bit. I'm not going to go all that much farther because I really don't want to risk it. And try and pick one more off, just heading with the current. That's going to be it. Too damn windy. Too many people here. Just waiting for my ride to get the boat out of the water. Got a couple fish, but all in all, tough day. Too much fight in the boat, too much fight in the wind. So see you next time.